Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this quick video I'm going to compare the specs and technical information of the JBL Tune 720BT with the JBL Tune 770NC. So the first thing is that the JBL Tune it got less weight comparing to JBL Tune 770NC, so this is the first thing. Now with the Tune you're gonna have up to 76 hours, so that's better comparing to 770NC. Then the quick charge is better for 770NC. Then also the Bluetooth version is the same. The driver side is going to be, I think, also similar. And then the noise cancelling, this is the huge here. So you're gonna have the true adaptive noise cancelling with smart ambient. That's really good for the NC there. And then when you're gonna look here for the additional features, you're gonna have the Google Finder, the Person Fit 2.0, and autoplay pause, possible in the JBL headphones app. So in this regard, what I really like about Tune is that you're gonna have the noise cancelling, but just be aware that you're gonna have less hours for charging. It's higher in weight and it's higher in price. So these are like the important things you need to know about both of these products. Thank you very much for watching. I just want to make this quick video for you. Have a great day and goodbye.